Hello students, as you know, we are continuing our chapter number 13, that is Smart Charts. In this chapter, we study about the data and how we can make the chart or the table from the given data. Now there is a second method to represent the data, that is a pictograph. So today we see about the pictograph. Okay. Let's see about the pictograph. What do you mean by a pictograph? A pictograph uses small pictures or the symbols to show, compare and count the information. That means whatever the information or data we have, that we have to show by using this small picture, symbol, okay, and we called it as a pictograph. Let us see. So before drawing a pictograph, you have to remember some points. First one is the label. So in every pictograph, you have to give the label that let you know what the section stand for. कि ये pictograph और ये जो section है ये किसके लिए है? Okay. Now the next is title. All the pictograph always have a title. So in that title column, you have to draw the pictures or the show the symbols. Okay. Now the next is the key. Key is very important part. According to the key, you have to draw this pictograph. So that key let you know what each picture stand for. Okay. Okay students, this is the example of pictograph. Let's see. Here hobbies are given. Painting, dancing, music, art and craft, reading, like that. And here number of students are there. So some students are like painting, some students are like dancing, some students are like music, some students are like reading. So we have to make here one pictograph. Okay. So for each student, that means one student showing the one smiley face. Okay. So let us see. Hobbies, painting. So how many faces are there? How many smileys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 smileys. That means 4 students. Okay. So 4 students like the painting. So instead of writing the 4, I can draw the smileys here. Okay. Now the dancing. Let us count how many students like the dancing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 students like the dancing. Now what about the music? 1, 2. So only 2 students like the music. Now reading. 1, 2, 3. 3 smileys are there. That means 3 students like reading. Okay. Now traveling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 smileys are there. That means 5 students like the traveling. Now what about the art and craft? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 students like art and craft. Okay. And cooking. 1, 2. 2 students like cooking. So in this way we can make a pictograph. So instead of writing the numbers, we have to use here pictures or symbols. Okay. So this is about the pictograph. Let's see one more example. Represent the data pictorially using smileys. Okay. So here you have to draw the pictograph of smileys. Okay. So for that one chart or table is given. Let's see what is given in that chart. Favorite fruit. That means name of the fruits are given here. And number of students. Okay. So the number of students like that fruit. Let us see. Mango fruit is liked by 12 students. Apple fruit is liked by 8 students. Banana fruit is liked by 10 students. 6 students like the orange fruit. 18 students like the grapes fruit. And 4 students like the watermelon fruits. Okay. So let us see how we can draw the pictograph. Okay students. So what is given here? 2 students is equal to 1 smiley. Okay. So for 2 students you have to draw the 1 smiley. Okay, so I can draw here table of the pictograph. So first of all, you have to write here favorite fruit. Favorite fruit. And it is the column of number of students. Number of students. Okay, now write down the name of the fruits. Okay, so which are the name of the fruit is given here? Yes, mango, apple, banana, orange, grapes, and watermelon. Okay, now let us first of all see in the chart. So how many students like the mango fruit? 12 students. So for 2 students we have to draw the 1 smiley. So for 12 we have to draw the 6 smiley, half of that. So we have to draw here 6 smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means 6 smileys, that means total 12 students. Okay, now apple. Apple is like by 8 students. Okay, so we have to draw here 4 smileys. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because 1 smiley is for 2 students. Now next banana. 10. So we have to draw here 5 smileys. 3, 4 and 5. Now the orange. Orange is like by 6 students. So we have to draw here 3 smileys. Okay. Now grapes. Grapes is like by 18 students. So half of that what? 9. So we have to draw the 9 smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Now what about the watermelon? Watermelon is like by 4 students. So we have to draw only 2 smileys. Okay. So in this way we can complete our pictograph. Now some answer the question on that pictograph. Let us see number 1. The most favorite fruit student is. Okay. Students का सबसे favorite fruit कौन सा है? जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा स्माइली है, that is the favorite one. So which fruit has the more smileys? Yes, grapes. So we have to write down the answer here. Grapes. Okay. Now the next is the least favorite. Least मतलब क्या है? सबसे कम. Fruit student is. So सबसे least favorite वाला fruits कौन सा है? Yes, watermelon. So we have to write down here watermelon. Now number 3. How many students like grapes? So let us count smileys here. Total 9 smileys. That means 1 smiley for 2 students. That means total 18 students. So we have to write down here 18. Okay. 4th number. What is the total number of students? So we have to count here total number of students. So here it is the number given, total number of students. So you have to just add it. So by adding it, we have to get the total number, that is total 58 students. Okay, so we have to write down here 58. Okay, so in this way we can draw the pictograph and also we can give the answer of the following questions from that pictograph. Okay, so one more example in that the pictograph below shows the number of marks obtained by 6 students in their maths exam out of the total 100 marks. Okay, so here the label column name of the students and the title column the marks obtained, and key shows that 1 star represents the 10 marks. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.